Welcome to our channel. If the Seamless app isn't working or you're experiencing payment issues, follow these step-by-step instructions to fix the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection by opening other apps or websites to ensure you have stable connectivity. Step 2. Close the Seamless app completely and reopen it. On iOS, swipe up and close the app. On Android, force stop it through Settings. Step 3. Update the Seamless app to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Seamless, and Clear Cache. On iOS, delete and reinstall the app. Step 5. Restart your device completely. Power off your smartphone, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 6. Verify your payment information is correct. Go to Account Settings and check that your credit card number, expiration date, and CVV are accurate. Step 7. Try a different payment method. Add another credit card or try using a debit card or PayPal as an alternative. Step 8. Contact your bank to ensure there are no fraud alerts or holds on your card that might be blocking the transaction. Step 9. Note that Seamless operates through Grubhub in many areas, so try using the Grubhub app if Seamless continues to have issues. Step 10. Contact Seamless or Grubhub customer support if the problem persists, providing order details and error messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.